In a proactive move against the persistent challenge of illegal poppy cultivation, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh chaired a meeting at the State Secretariat to discuss renewed strategies. The Chief Minister took to micro-blogging site X to announce a significant initiative aimed at tackling the menace of drug cultivation head-on. The meeting attended by key stakeholders including the Chief Secretary, Manipur Police Department, NCB, NAB, Forest Department, MARSAC, and Forensic Science underscored the state government's resolute commitment to eradicating the scourge of illegal poppy cultivation. Expressing his firm stance on the matter, Chief Minister N. Biren stated the need for coordinated efforts and collaborative measures to effectively combat the issue. He reiterated the government's determination to completely uproot the drug menace from Manipur. Earlier on February 8, in a press briefing held at Chief Minister's Secretariat, N. Biren Singh extended his gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, and other central leaders for their responsiveness to the concerns of the people of Manipur. The expression of the thanks follows the recent decision to construct fencing along the entire 1,643 km Indo-Myanmar border and the immediate suspension of the free movement regime. Chief Minister N. Biren emphasized the state government's steadfast commitment to ensuring the safety and the security of its people and the state's boundaries. He highlighted the government's efforts since its formation in 2017 to address various challenges, including maintaining demographic balance, combating drug trafficking, and addressing border security issues such as fencing and the free movement regime.